Not all people in Oklahoma are like this. 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 Oh God, no, no, no. So, the other day I just finished the Tiger King. Why didn't any of you motherfuckers tell me that my hair looks like Joe Exotic's hair? It's been forever since I did a video, and my hair is really faded. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to color my hair today. I am using Punky Color and Flamingo Pink, and I'm using this Color Exchange Renegade Red. I got them both on Amazon. I'll leave the links below if you want to check them out. I'm going to mostly do pink here, and then do red here, and all the way down the back, maybe mix some pink with it. So let's get started. Let's pretend I don't look like Joe Exotic. Let's talk about that in the comments too. Let's go. Anybody else think Carol killed her husband? Because I do! I will be back with my final results, and then we can bitch some more about the Tiger King if you want. I don't know. This is the end result. It's nice and bright again. Pink and red.